Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the pickup roller and the separation roller on HP Laserjet M477 model. Take out the paper tray. Rotate it. Here is our paper feed roller, also known as pickup roller, and here under this plastic white thing is our separation roller. First I will show you how to replace the pickup roller. We have to lift up this plastic plate. To take this plastic plate up, we need to push this green button here and lift it up. Then, to fix it, push here and leave it that way. To replace the pickup roller, lift this handle up and slide the whole slider to the left. Then take out the feed roller assembly. Then get your new one and place it back. Then slide back the gray holder. Now, to replace the separation roller, take out with a small flat screwdriver, take out this plastic cap. Then take out the feed roller. This is our separation roller. Take the new one and place it back in a reverse order. Then put back this white plastic cover. And that's it. Thank you very much and good luck.